Hey you, this is Jasim from CodeBand, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install Laravel globally on your system. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon near to it. So without any further, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so we'll be following the official documentation of Laravel. So just go to laravel.com and come back in here, click on the documentation right in here, and you just come a little bit down and you could find something like this one, Composer Global Require Laravel Installer. You just copy that stuff and type in CMD, take CMD command prompt, paste in there. Now what this does is it is just globally installing the Laravel installer on your system. So with that being said, press enter, and it will take a little bit of time, so be patient. Since I already have this Laravel installer in my system, I'll just control C and terminate the process. So it will take a little bit of time, please be patient, and after it's done, then all you have to do is type in Laravel and you should see something like this one. If everything goes fine, then you should see something like this one. Now if you have some errors, please let me know in the comment section. So with that being said, now the next thing in the documentation, they have said to create a new project, then we have to use Laravel new, our project name. So what we are going to be doing is in the desktop, I'm creating a new folder. So I will name the folder as Laravel to-do project. So a project being to-do, a to-do list application. So you can choose the directory, that's up to you. I just choose the desktop itself, and I will open this Laravel to-do project. And in there I'll just take the CMD in this directory, so I'll just type it there, CMD. Now from here I'm creating a new Laravel project, Laravel new to do. I'll name it as to do and just click enter. Now it'll take a little bit of time installing all those dependencies and all, so I'll be there once it's done. So everything went fine and the application is ready. So I have already told in the previous video that I will be using Phpstorm as my IDE. You could of course use VS Code or Sublime Text or any editor of your choice. So what I will do now is I'm opening my project in the Phpstorm. So I'll take the path, the exact path from here. Let me reopen this one. Just a moment. Yeah, I'll take this to do and I'll just take this path. So in here in the Phpstorm, I'll click open, and in here I'll just type in the path and just take this directory, this to do directory, as your project directory, and click OK. So with that being said, it is opened in the Phpstorm, and in here you could find a lot of files and folders. Now these are, most of them are Laravel configuration files, as well as Laravel supports Vue.js out of the box, and Vue.js is a JavaScript front-end framework, so there are some Vue.js configuration files as well. So now I will not be talking about each folders and files right now, as it does not make any sense to you because you will not understand anything. So instead we will do something like in the upcoming lectures, we'll dig deep into each of these folders and files as we move along in the series. So with that being said, now all I have to do is I will just start a local development server so that I can see my project in the browser live itself. So I'll just take terminal right in here, and if you are using some other IDEs, you can find the integrated terminal, or you could of course use the CMD itself. Okay, moving into the to-do directory, you can use CMD as it is very perfect, no issues with that, but I will just stick with the integrated terminal here. Now, in order to run the development server, all you need to type is php artisan serve. Now, this command is very unfamiliar to you because the artisan file, this is nothing but this very own file artisan, which is a manager, a kind of manager to manage your commands, and the serve is nothing but to serve your application in a local development server. So if you just type in php artisan list, then you'll get a list of available commands, all available commands right in here. There you could see the serve command, and you can see serve the application on the PHP development server. So you could find a whole lot of commands here, and we'll be discussing some of them later in the videos. And what we are interested now is just PHP artisan serve, which serves our application. So I'll click enter, and you could see Laravel development server started HTTP, and you just take this URL. This is nothing but the local host port 8000, and you could see, wow, you are successfully installed Laravel. You can see the home page. This is rendered by default by the Laravel, and here you can see the docs, Laracas, and some other things right in here. Now, if this is the case, then you have successfully installed Laravel and a project is up and running. Now, if you fell into some errors, please do let me know in the comment section. So with that being said, this is all about the video, and in the next video we'll override this default template with our own HTML template. So with that being said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon near to it. If you like the video, please don't hesitate to hit the thumbs up button, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the very next one.